Hi! Good morning! Magluto po tayo ngayon ng chicken kebab. Alright, so first time nating gumawa ng ganitong video recreate. So, ang recreate po ay mga videos or mga food vlogs. Actually, food lang siya. Recipes na nakita ko online. It could be videos or pictures na nagustuhan ko at gusto kong gawin. So, hindi siya product ng aking imagination lang. Product siya ng aking pag-scroll online. So, for our first video is chicken kebab. So, nakita ko to sa YouTube channel ni Chef Boy Logro. Shout out po. Sana mapansin nyo. Hindi naman, okay lang din naman po. Pero sana mapansin nyo naman. Uy! Yun. So, ayun. So, nag-scroll ako dun. Maraming recipes sa channel ni Chef Boy. At ito yung napili kong gayahin kasi parang madali lang siya. Feeling ko lang naman. Kasi barbecue lang. Ang idea ng kebab kasi is barbecue. So, it's a different style of barbecue. So, kung gusto niyo makita yung inspiration ng video na to, punta kayo sa YouTube channel niya. Ilagay ko yung link sa baba. Tapos, pag nakita nyo na yun, mapapansin nyo na marami ang pagkakaiba sa ingredients na aming ginamit. First is yung chicken. Yung chicken na gagamitin ko is breast. So, hindi siya ganun ka-fatty. Tapos, wala akong bell pepper. Kaya ang gagamitin ko is yung klase ng pepper na nandito ako na murang nabili ko sa supermarket. Tapos, yung kamatis na ginamit niya maliliit, 'di ba? Sa akin ito malaki. Tapos, yung sauce na ginamit niya is barbecue sauce talaga. Ang gagamitin nating sauce is hindi barbecue sauce, yung sauce dito na nakita ko rin na parang barbecue, pero ginagamit siya na sauce pag katsu yung niluto mo. Yung ganun na sauce. Di ko alam kung paano ang tawag doon na sauce. Basta yun na sauce. Tapos, gumamit siya ng pan, na grilling pan ata, yung may mga linya-linya. Wala tayo nun. Wala pa tayong budget nun. Pero may budget tayo sa skillet. So, skillet ba tawag dun sa ginamit ni Chef Boy? Pero ganun. Pero walang linya-linya. Mas ano lang kasi siya. Mas maganda lang. Wala, parang ko mas maganda ang luto pag ganun kasi yung ginamit mo na panluto. And maraming pagkakaiba. Malamang. Kasi nga, hindi naman tayo chef. Feeling chef lang. Hope chef. Anyway, the best thing in cooking as a cookerist, #cookerist, is we can eat our mistakes and we can explore different ingredients and flavors sa kitchen. Which is I like. Anyway. Yes. Luto na tayo. Luto na.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.